In this video, I'll show you how to use the Gamma AI Imagine tool with custom prompts to create unique visuals for your projects. First, I'll open my existing Video AI Technology Guide from the dashboard to get started. I want to add a brand new section to this presentation, so I'll click the plus button on the left sidebar to generate a blank card at the end of my deck. Now, I'll navigate to the toolbar on the right and click on the Images icon. From the menu, I'll select the AI Images option to open the generator. In the prompt box, I'm going to paste a very specific and detailed description. I'm looking for a high-definition 3D infographic illustrating the internal architecture of a large language model, featuring glowing nodes and high-tech neon accents. To ensure the style matches my presentation, I'll select the photo art style and change the aspect ratio to 16:9. I'll also check the settings to make sure for the best results. Everything looks ready, so I'll click Generate and let the AI process my custom prompt. Once the image is ready, it appears directly on the slide. I'll click the Expand button and adjust the alignment so it fills the space perfectly. Next, I'll add a heading and a text block to the side of the image to provide more context. To refine the visual even further, I can click Edit with Agent. This opens up quick actions that allow me to remove the background or add more intricate connections with just one click. It's a great way to polish the final look of the slide. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using the Gamma AI Imagine tool with custom prompts.